Hi fams, you're welcome back to Tech. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the gimbal not showing on your Windows PC when you are trying to screen record with the OBS. Now, if you're trying to make recordings with your OBS screen capture software, and after making the screen capture, you notice that Xbox is not part of what was captured, here's how to go about fixing that on OBS. So the first thing to do is to come to your OBS interface, just this interface you are seeing right now, and then under sources you'd want to click on display capture and then right click on it and then click on properties. All right, so from here we're going to be resolving the issue in just one click, and the issue is just on capture method. So what you need to do is to actually switch your capture method from automatic, which is the default one, to Windows 10. So as soon as you do that, make sure to click on OK, and then you can take your recordings again. So this time the gimbal is going to be captured in your video without any further issues. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.